Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love cheese and goat cheese is among them. Most of the time it is enjoyed as a log, crumbled or added to recipes. It can also be served in rounds. It's hard to slice soft goat cheese with or without a rind, but here's a great trick to cleanly slice it. So let's get cooking. Here's our goat cheese. I went for the fine herbs because I'll be making my salad with warm goat cheese en croûte, and it's perfect for that. But any soft goat cheese will do, including the ones with the rinds. So what we'll do is to place it in the freezer for 15 minutes prior to slicing it. A few minutes later, we'll remove the cheese from its package and then take some dental floss. I'm not kidding you, that's the trick. We'll take a piece of it, unflavored of course, and wrap it around our fingers to make it tight. Then we'll press down on the cheese all the way through. Et voila! We have our rounds of goat cheese neatly sliced. As you saw in this video, the surprising way to slice it will give you nice, clean results. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!